Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the HP EliteBook 840G6. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and fixing common issues. Let's begin by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. If you have a battery that can be removed, take it out to avoid any risk of electric shock. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws organized to avoid confusion later on. As you remove the panel, gently use the spudger to pry it open, taking care not to damage any internal components. Once you have access to the internal parts, look for signs of dust or debris accumulation. A clean laptop runs better, so use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. If you notice any components that seem loose or disconnected, make sure to check their connections. If your laptop is experiencing performance issues, it might be due to a failing hard drive or insufficient RAM. To check the RAM, locate the memory slots after removing the back panel. If you suspect the hard drive is damaged, ensure you have a replacement on hand. Remember, if you don't have the tools or expertise, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on the battery. If your battery is not holding a charge, consider replacing it. To do this, locate the battery connector, carefully pull it out, and replace it with a new one. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop fixed without hassle. After you've completed your repairs, before sealing the back panel, reconnect the battery and power the laptop on to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, once you are satisfied that everything is working, carefully reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and screwing it back in place. Always double-check that all screws are tight and that there are no loose parts. In summary, repairing the HP EliteBook 840G6 involves basic tools and a careful approach. Whether you're cleaning, replacing parts, or troubleshooting, following these steps will help ensure your laptop runs smoothly. If you find yourself stuck or lacking the necessary tools, remember that we offer no calls, no travel, making it convenient to get your device repaired. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.